Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. The 2023 annual report of the US Commission on International Religious Freedom, or USCIRF, points out how the imposed regime in Pakistan uses blasphemy accusations to pressurize and endanger political opposition. So then, what exactly are Pakistan's blasphemy laws? Pakistan actually inherited its blasphemy laws from the colonial India. So when the British were still ruling over in pre-partition, they came up with these blasphemy laws, and the main reason for them was to safeguard, was to avoid religious clashes amongst the different religious people living in India, and so that they wouldn't attack each other. Now, this blasphemy law was then later on adopted by Pakistan. We just inherited it. And the Pakistan Penal Code, which is the main criminal code of Pakistan, it penalizes blasphemy against any organized religion. And the penalty can range anywhere from fine to death. Now, this is how the blasphemy law, like other laws, is being abused by Sharif's government to target Imran Khan. In May of 2022, there was an incident in Medina, in the Masjid-e-Nabwi, where Shahbaz Sharif's delegation went to perform their pilgrimage. Now, there were a few Pakistani pilgrims there who started shouting chor chor slogans. They started booing at this delegation. And obviously, these people were kind of embarrassed. So what do? They file an FIR or a case against Imran Khan and the top PTI leadership. They file a case, and they file this case under the blasphemy law. Obviously, the leadership challenged this, and eventually the Islamabad High Court dismissed the case, citing that no political party should ever exploit this case for personal or political gain. And they also made it pretty clear that Imran Khan, as well as the other PTI leadership, was not even there in Medina, so there really was no case against them. Critics think that this trend was going to harm the government. This was not a good trend. Did the government listen to the critics? No, they did not. They actually used their paid journalists like Waqar Sati to keep inciting religious sentiments of the public against Imran Khan. It was not just the paid journalists, but it was also their political leaders, mainly the Nawaz Leagues, the Muslim Leagues leaders that continue to use words like fitna, which is, again, it comes from Arabic, and it again has a religious connotation, and it means somebody who's associated with temptation, trial, sedition, basically Satan of sorts, if I may. Right. So this kind of propaganda, it continued until November, when Imran Khan was actually attacked. Right. And he got 4 bullets. Now, Imran Khan did survive this attempt. Now, Khwaja Asif, along with the other government members, tried to blame this attack on religious fanaticism. But then, who was it exactly that was inciting this kind of religious fanaticism, this kind of religious violence against Imran Khan? The world took notice. Recently, the USCIRF issued a statement saying the new government under Prime Minister Shahbaz Sharif, which took office in April, weaponized the country's blasphemy laws against former Prime Minister Imran Khan and his cabinets. Blasphemy laws continue to serve political ends under this government. To this day, Imran Khan faces over 157 cases against him. A number of these cases against him do pertain to the blasphemy law. Imran Khan has to make several court appearances, knowing fully well that his life continues to be in danger.